Lose weight overnight drink. 4 proven nighttime fat burner recipes. Have you ever wished you can burn fat while you're sleeping? This sure sounds like a fantasy, but what if we tell you that there are some ways to do this? Certainly, everyone wants to have a healthy and fit body, and that can be achieved by eating a balanced, low-calorie diet and regular exercise. But what if you can maximize your weight reduction efforts and burn fat while having a shut-eye? In this video, we will share 4 scientifically proven fat burner recipes that can fire up your metabolism while you sleep and help you burn fat overnight. 1. Apple and psyllium. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons psyllium husk or powder, 1 apple, 1 cup cold water, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Procedure: slice the apple and put it in the blender together with the 1 cup water until you achieve a smooth consistency. Pour into a cup and then mix in the psyllium and cinnamon powder. Drink it up at nighttime and then drink a glass of water. Psyllium is a natural laxative which can contribute to weight reduction because it can aid the food in moving easier and faster in your digestive system. Moreover, it can minimize fat absorption and increase feelings of satiety. Apple, when combined with psyllium, can further reduce fat absorption in the intestines because of the pectin. On the other hand, cinnamon can contribute by regulating the blood sugar levels and reduce the conversion of sugar into fat. Note, don't drink this recipe 2 hours after eating or taking medicines, because it can limit the absorption of medications and the nutrients in the body. 2. Aloe vera and cherry. Ingredients: 1 ounce aloe vera juice, 2 to 4 ounces tart cherry juice, cold water. Procedure: get an 8-ounce glass and then combine the aloe vera juice and cherry juice. Top the glass off with cold water. Aloe vera can minimize fat stored in your body, particularly the abdominal area. Meanwhile, tart cherry can boost the melatonin levels in your body, which improves nighttime sleep and provides anti-inflammatory benefits. This means your body will retain less water. 3. Ginger lemon. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 5 to 10 slices of cucumber, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 6 ounces water. Procedure: in a blender, combine the cucumber slices, freshly grated ginger, and water until you achieve a smooth texture. Add the juice of 1 lemon. This is one of the most effective weight loss drinks because it contains cucumber, which is low in calories and high in fiber, meaning that your body will have less fat intake. Ginger will boost your metabolism and reduce bloating and water retention. The fiber in cucumber binds with the fatty acids and quickly removes them from your body. Furthermore, the citric acid in lemon provides an alkalizing effect in your body when you completely digested it. 4. Nutmeg and warm milk. Ingredients: 1 cup full fat-free milk, pinch of nutmeg, grated, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Procedure: heat the milk. Allow it to cool a bit and then add your honey and grated nutmeg. Drink while it's still warm. The nutmeg milk fat burner recipe is another favorite because the calcium and vitamin D in it can contribute to weight reduction. Meanwhile, nutmeg has thermogenic properties which can improve your metabolism and your body's ability to burn fat. The fat burner recipes mentioned here are all backed by science and are proven to be effective. However, it is important to keep in mind that drinking these alone wouldn't magically transform your body. If you want to achieve your goal in a faster manner, you must be ready to work for it and make sacrifices by giving up unhealthy foods that you once loved, as well as adding moderate exercises to your weight loss routine. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.